Okay. So, so this is all about the way in which we can apply jobs using AI, right? So that's what you're just developing.
Yeah, so it's a tool that at this point it helps you to generate customized cover letters and emails or messages that you can send to the respective contact person. In the future, it will also be expanded to applying the jobs and fetching the jobs as well.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So I think,
Maybe you could just go through the steps written in the README one by one, and I could help you if you're stuck in that, and I can help you set it up.
mm, so we need to just update the details in this Google Sheets, right?
Yes, so we can either upload them manually, update them manually, or there is a RPI tool where I've created like a setup.
Mm-hmm.
You can do that setup. Currently, it's enabled for LinkedIn, where you can right click on LinkedIn and it's a Chrome extension. You can right click on LinkedIn and upload it onto the
Got
sheet,
it.
a basic setup too. So
Okay. So I think I need to start from here, right? Adding a job.
we'll actually come to add a job later. First, I think we need to do the setup.
Okay. So Google Sheet setup, right?
Yeah. Yes. This is a template that I've created, and we just want to like copy this template, make a copy of it. So
Okay, okay. Can you just do it here?
yeah, you can yes.
Import.
Make a copy. You just say make a copy.
Okay, sure.
And you can just name it as AI job apply, and you can leave out the rest. I recommend keeping the name as it is, caps. Yeah, just the AI job apply part.
Should I just keep this template in Google Docs too?
No, remove after the underscore. You can remove the first underscore. Yes.
That's it, right?
Yeah. Go ahead and make a copy. The idea is here we want to upload a particular job that we're interested in, and then our tool will pick it up from here and do what we need to do. So you can go back to the
Okay.
GitHub.
We made a mistake. Like, I think I'm having your Gmail also. Okay.
You can name it just AI job apply, and you should be done, right? What are you confused about?
No, actually, the thing is, I'm having your Gmail here.
So
So actually, the thing is, I'm having your Gmail account. So I got
no,
stuck.
we got it cloned onto your email, and
Hmm.
then we created the from the template we created a copy, and we just named it
I
AI
think
job apply.
if I'm not having your Gmail, I can just click on this link directly. I think it will open another sheet.
It should work.
Mm-hmm. Okay, then
Okay.
I think we can get into the next one. So interact
The
with the
next
Google
thing, because
Sheets.
we want to have API access to the Google Sheet, we're going to create a Google project on Google Cloud Console and use the
Mm-hmm.
APIs. If you don't have an account, you need to create an account on Google Cloud Console.
Okay.
So you can just follow the steps that we have in that. So
Okay. Yeah, create a new project if you haven't already. In your project, navigate to APIs and services. Like, can you just name it anything?
yeah, for consistency, just name it as AI job apply. The same way it was named, the Google Sheet will name. So try keeping the name the same maybe.
Okay. And create, right?
Yep.
Okay, and that navigate to APIs and services. Uh, Dashboard that enable the Google Sheets API. Uh, Enabling configure the go to the OAuth concern screen and select an appropriate user type. OAuth, I didn't get it. Where we need to go?
Go to the project and you see our person screen there, right there.
Yeah, okay, got it. Uh, Usually external create. Fill in the necessary details like application name, user support, email, and developer contact. App name is the same, right?
Yep.
SHRTZ.
Like, do I need to fill this?
Yeah, you need to fill your basic details if you want to create.
No, that's okay. Do I need to fill this developer contact information?
Yeah, you can just put your same email.
Okay. Save and continue. Okay. Developer and the scopes for the Google Sheet API. Right. I did. Okay. Add or remove scopes. And what I should do here now?
So you can go to add or remove scopes, click on that.
Mm-hmm.
Then here, can you search for Google Sheets?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Google Sheets API.
Mm.
Go ahead and add it.
Uh, do I need to click on update or add, uh,
Update. Yes.
update?
Yeah.
Can we continue with the next steps?
Yes.
Yeah, create to auth 2.2 credentials. Go to credentials and click create credentials. Okay. And client ID. Select desktop. Uh, uh, can you just name it like anything or
You can.
yeah?
Yeah. So I'm not sure where it might fail. So for now, you can just keep consistency.
Got it. Okay. And click create. Download the credentials. Once it's created, click the download button. This download over client. Download JSON.
Yes, you can have a specific place where
Like,
you.
do I need to change this file name or can I just save it like this?
We would require you to name it as Google underscore credentials.json. All small.
Is this one Google underscore cred?
Credentials. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Uh, okay, using the credentials in store download when you run the application for the first time. Authorize access to your Google Sheets. Follow the instructions to complete.
So we will get to
Okay.
that later.
Okay. Now I need to just start this process, right?
Yeah. So we're going to do with OpenAI. So we need an OpenAI credential also.
Okay. Uh, Once logged in, navigate to API section, create an API key, like API key. Where can I just create that?
Just give me 1 second. Let me check where it is. Yeah, you can actually scroll down in overview. You should be able to find out where it is.
Yeah, API keys.
Yeah.
So secure the API. Create. Uh, I'll just name it as AIJobApply. Create. Okay. Do I need to save this?
Yes. Save it in a place where you can use it.
Okay. And okay, then secure the API key. So I need to clone this repository, right? Can I just do that in Git Bash, or do I need to just download this?
You can do it via the bash command. So you can do git clone. I think there's some extra stuff in the beginning that you just want to remove. You can use the same thing, but yeah, you can download it in the respective place.
Right. I think I can use the GUI, right?
You can.
It's easy.
You just want to clone the repository. You can do it
Yeah.
whichever way you're comfortable. So in your terminal, you just need to remove the first few characters. Otherwise, it will work as it is. It's not that difficult. Yeah. Well, I'd recommend just opening terminal once. I could just show you. It shouldn't be very difficult.
Uh,
Can you open command
okay.
prompt?
Shall I click on this Git Bash here?
I need, yeah, okay.
Hmm.
Just open in terminal, not get bash. You can right click on the same place and say open in terminal. It'll open to you the folder
Yeah,
where you want.
sorry.
All right, so you can just paste the command here. Yep. So you need to ensure, yeah, not found. Why is this? Can you pause the recording once?
Okay.
The next thing we want to do is we want to update the respective content within the .env file. After we added the Google credentials JSON into the credentials folder, now we'll go to the .env file. So here you can add your email address, you can add your Gmail password. Right now, the functionality to send an email is enabled, but it's still work under progress. But you can add your credentials here. And apart from that, we will be using GPT-4 model. You can also use the GPT-3 turbo model with the 0613 version specifically. If you want to use the 3.5 API instead of the 4. So that's up to you. And in the OpenAI API key, you can go ahead and paste your API key that you just generated and you stored. I think it's in your notepad.
Yeah. Actually, is this the key?
I'm not sure. I mean, if you're confused, just open the file again. It's just a bit of- You can't copy from here. You downloaded the file, right? So open the file. We will be deleting this key after this video because we don't want others to use it, but this is for demo purposes. So every time a new key is generated. So you can ignore the password for now.
Okay.
We've already shown the credentials path. So basically the Google API credentials file, we pasted it within the credentials folder. You can also have it somewhere else, but you just need to change the path here accordingly. But for ease of purpose, you could just paste the file there and it will stay this way.
Okay.
And the next thing is if you named your Google Sheet as something else instead of AIJobApply, the one that you created, you need to make the change here.
Here, right?
Yes. Yes. But in our case, we've named it as AIJobApply, so we'll keep it as it is. And then we need the Google Drive, the Google Sheets folder ID. So for this, what you do is, can you open the Google Sheet that was created? In the top, do you see the, if you click on the URL, there is you can just double click there once. Yeah, that will be your, I think the entire thing between bracket to bracket will be your.
From
One
here?
second, just 1 second. Yeah, so it will be, can you show me the URL again?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it will be all the way from, the first slash until the last slash.
Will the D get include?
No, after the D.
Okay, from 1.4, right?
Yes.
Until Q.
Until, yes, correct. So that will be your ID. So what you want to do, you want to come on to the .env and you want to replace this particular folder ID with that value, and you can save this. So now that, you can close this. So now we want to install the package. So what we will do, we can go back onto the terminal.
Yeah.
And you can just apply that command. So you need to ensure you have the right Python version, and we can go ahead and do it.
I'm having the 3.8.
Okay. Let's see. So you want to go to the terminal, the same location.
Yeah.
You want to do CD AIJobApply, first, because you need to go into the folder. Yeah. So wherever your files are present, you need to be in that particular location. And here we want to do install dot, which ensures we are installing the package. Go ahead and enter. Can you say that command, that Python -m pip install upgrade pip first?
Okay.
Yeah. Why is it still coming? No, you couldn't do Python